Meet Clean Plate Charlie. Today, Charlie is on a mission to keep our food safe and yummy.
Oh no, these pesky germs are trying to spoil our food. Let's wash them away.
Always rinse your fruits and veggies under cool water and give firm ones a gentle scrub. Bye-bye, germs!
To keep our food fresh and safe, we must store it properly.
Remember, perishable foods belong in the fridge, nice and cool to keep them from spoiling.
Using different tools for meats and veggies keeps our meals safe.
Prevent germs from spreading by keeping food separate and hands clean. Always wash your hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds before and after handling food, especially raw meat, to prevent the spread of bacteria. After preparing raw foods, wash cutting boards, knives, and countertops with hot soapy water to eliminate bacteria.
Thanks to Clean Plate Charlie, everyone enjoys a healthy meal. You can be a food hygiene hero too.